Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete unused rows and columns in Google Sheet. So let's start the first open your Google Sheet. So here I'm going to first delete unused rows. Simply select the cell after your data, then go to the right hand side, then scroll down, then hold the shift key and select here the last cell. And here you can see the all cell is selected. Then release the shift key. Then keep cursor between the two rows and right click on the mouse and click on the delete rows 12 to 1011. Okay. And here you can see all unused row is deleted. And to delete the unused column, simply select the column. Press the shortcut key Shift Control right arrow to select all column. Then release the Shift Control key. Then right click on the column later and click on the delete column after double arrow. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.